Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the archive is in a known format or damaged here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is you need to visit or open any of your favorite browser or whatever browser that is present in your laptop or computer. Just have to open it. And once you have successfully opened your browser, here you need to go with the search bar. Let's just wait until the search bar will appear here. Okay. Now it's here. Just have to type for 7 space zip download. So once you have typed that, click on enter to proceed. The moment you've click on it, you'll be able to see all the results of 7-zip. Here you need to select the second one which contains the 7-zip link. Okay, just simply click on it and wait until you are being redirected to this. Okay, so here it has three options. Sorry, you can go with 64-bit times 64 if you have the 64-bit computer or laptop. You can also go with 32-bit times 86 if you have a Windows 32-bit, and you can also with 64-bit ARM 64. Now, how we can able to know if we have either 64-bit, 32-bit, or 64-bit ARM 64 Windows? Just have to use this button search bar here and type about your PC. And the moment you've typed it, the system settings called about your PC will appear. Just simply click on open. And the moment you've clicked on it, here you would be able to see the system type that you have. So in my case, I have the 64-bit operating system times 64 based processor. So I'm going with the first option. Just have to close this window and I'm not going with this. Just have to click the download under the link. Don't worry because it contains a small space in your computer. In fact, it is composed of 1.6 megabytes high, so don't worry with that. Okay, just have to click on it once it is being done. Okay, and you need to proceed on the installing of this exe. Just have to click on yes when your user account control will ask you to say yes, and then install the exe file. Okay, so once you're done, just simply close this browser and then try to check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.